Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time to learn practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching you a phrase called 对不起, which is sorry.
是哩，
是哩 OK. 然后客家人其实从好像元宵节之后就可以开始扫墓了，对不对？
都比人家早。
对，一直到下个月，当然清明节之前都可以嘛。那我们今天就带大家去扫个墓好了。
OK。
然后呢，可能忘记带什么东西就要对不起了，
就要赶快准备了。
没错。The Hakka actually starts their tomb sweeping after Lantern Festival and all the way to Tomb Sweeping Day. So let's put you in a scenario here. Maybe you forgot to bring something, and that's really not a good thing, is it? And let's teach you some phrases. 好，扫墓用的东西准备好了吗？怎么说呢？
瓜子用嘅東西準備好嘛？
瓜子用嘅東西準備好嘛？OK， 哎，瓜子啃瓜子？
不是啦，那是掃墓的意思。
哦，对，客家人是掛紙。All right, that's actually tomb sweeping in Hakka, but they actually put a bunch of paper on top of the grave.
那海陸腔的掃墓叫掛紙。
掛紙 ，OK, different dialect for the tomb sweeping occasion for the Hakka. 然後剛剛講準備就是準備 ，OK, that means to get ready. Are you ready for the tomb sweeping?OK， 那可能忘记带东西了，就sorry， 我忘了。
是哩，我唔記得嘞。
是哩，我唔記得嘞。哎呀，这么重大的事情怎么可以忘记呢？
那我就会跟你讲，那赶快去準備哦。
对 ，Then hurry up and prepare for it，OK？ 那趕快去準備哦。
家手
夾去
準備哦。
家去準備哦。
家手夾去準備哦。
家手夾去準備哦。
夾去就是趕快去。
哦，就夾，就要快點。
趕快加緊腳步。
Gag actually means hurry. And then we just taught you 準備
就是準
備 to get ready for it. OK， 好，忘了就趕快來這個亡羊補牢一下，對不對？ Let's review some of these phrases right here, such as the tomb sweeping in Hakka 就是掛紙哦。瓜子 OK, that is the tomb sweeping in Hakka. Then to get ready, prepare for something 準備 and then maybe I forgot 我忘了
我唔記得嘞
OK, 記得的話是記得唔記得就忘了All right, hopefully you're all ready for your tomb sweeping occasion and it's all about saying sorry
是哩
and that does it for today's Practical Hakka here on ICRT
什麼大家
漢字say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.